What's up, English learners? It's your way back here, Lucas, bring one more tip for you today. And first of all, I just want to remind you to follow me in all my social medias, especially on Instagram, because I teach English there every day, so you can learn new vocabularies, new phrasal verbs, and so on, alright? So make sure to follow me there. And today I want to talk to you guys about the modal verb would, okay? Would is a special verb we have in English, and generally we use with like to make offering and requesting, okay? We can use it in affirmative sentence, in negative sentence, and ask questions, okay? So let me give you some examples using the affirmative form. I would like to exchange these rollerblades. Joanne is saying she would like something to drink. We would like a table by the window, please. Just have in mind that we use would in all people. So I would, you would, he would, she would, it would, we would, you would, they would. And to make it easier, we can contract would. Because generally when we are speaking, we intend to make sentence shorter and contract everything. And with would, it's not different. So, I would becomes I'd. You would becomes you'd. He would becomes he'd. She would becomes she'd. It would becomes it'd. We would becomes we'd. You would becomes you'd. They would becomes they'd, okay? Making negative sentence, we just add not. So instead of saying I would say I would not, okay? So I would not, you would not, he would not, and so on. But to make it easier, we can also contract would not. Instead of saying would not, you say wouldn't, okay? I wouldn't, you wouldn't, they wouldn't, okay? Wouldn't. So, for instance, Johnny would like, Johnny would not like, or Johnny wouldn't like. And to ask question, it's easier. We just take the modal verb would, put before the subject, and make the sentence. For example, Johnny would like. Would Johnny like? Would Johnny like, okay? Sometimes we use care to make offering. For example, would you care for a beer? And we use the preposition for. So would you care for? Would you care for some water?
Cambly.
Os tutores do Cambly estão disponíveis 24 horas por dia.
Através do computador ou do aplicativo de celular também.
Experimente.
Actually, we should practice it using daily specific activities. Grammar and exercises are not the focus of our course. Our focus should be directed to what I call training process. We are gonna practice it. But don't worry about it, we have it all prepared for you here in video classes.
So guys, that was it. That was today's explanation. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys understand. If you still have any questions or suggestions, please leave down in the comment section down below. Don't hesitate, because I'll make sure to read all comments. So if you're still not following me on my social medias, please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, here on YouTube, okay? Smash the like button. If you're still not part of the family, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell to receive notification on your cell phone every time I post a new video. And thanks for watching. Peace out.